In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change message layout on Yahoo Mail if you want your inbox to feel more comfortable and easier to use. Changing the message layout is a quick setting that can make a big difference. Yahoo Mail gives you a few layout options so you can decide how you want your message list and email preview to appear on the screen. The nice thing is that the change happens right away, so you can instantly see which view works best for you. To get started, open your Yahoo Mail account and make sure you're on the main mailbox screen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand panel. Near the bottom of that panel, you'll find the More Options icon. Click on it, and then choose Settings from the menu that appears. When the Settings panel opens, you should be taken directly to the Appearance tab. If that doesn't happen automatically, simply look at the left side of the settings window and click Appearance manually. This section controls how your Yahoo Mail interface looks, including the way your messages are displayed. Inside Appearance, find the Message Layout section. Here you'll be able to choose between 3 different layout options: list, right, or bottom. Each one changes the way your inbox is organized. The list layout keeps things simple by focusing mainly on your message list. The right layout shows your message preview on the right side of the inbox, which can be helpful if you like reading emails without fully opening them. The bottom layout places the preview pane underneath the message list, which some people find easier to scan, especially on wider screens. As you click each option, you'll notice a preview on the right side, and the change will be applied instantly. That means you can test each layout in real time without needing to save anything or refresh the page. Take a moment to switch between the options and choose the one that feels the most natural for your workflow. And that's it. That's how to change the message layout on Yahoo Mail. It's a very simple customization, but it can make your inbox feel much more organized and easier to navigate. If you found the layout you like best, you're all set and ready to use Yahoo Mail in a way that suits you better.